Stevens
became
the father
of American railroads by
operating
the first train engine built and run on rails in the United States. He rode in it.
He ran
in it for a small
circular
truck in his yard.
Right here.
Before
Development
of the trains,
people
in the United States walked,
rode,
horses,
took boats,
or traveling
stagecoaches.
When it was
Discovered
that trains could be used much shorter.
No, to move people
In goods
long distance. Much shorter time.
Railroads began to grow in 1830s. There were only 23 miles of the track in the United States. 1960s.
20 years later.
20 years later, there was more than
9,000
million
miles
by
1916.
1916. The number had reached to a peak
254,000
miles of iron
horse
as steam engines called
making tracks
tracks
across
the
America. Next page.